Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is World Drowning Prevention Day. World Drowning Prevention Day, declared through the April 2021 UN General Assembly resolution, Global Drowning Prevention is held annually on 25th July. This global advocacy event serves as an opportunity to highlight the tragic and profound impact of drowning on families and communities and offer life-saving solutions to prevent it. In 2023, the 76th World Health Assembly adopted its first ever resolution on drowning prevention. To mark this year's World Drowning Prevention Day, WHO will continue to focus on raising awareness on drowning prevention interventions that can be used to drastically reduce the risk of drowning, such as train bystanders in safe rescue and resuscitation, set and enforce safe boating, shipping and ferry regulations, improve flood risk management locally and nationally, install barriers controlling access to water, provide safe places away from water for preschool children with capable childcare, teach school-age children basic swimming, water safety, and safe rescue skills. Notably, drowning has caused over 2.5 million deaths in the last decade. The overwhelming majority of these deaths happen in low and middle income countries. Globally, the highest drowning rates occur among children aged 1 to 4 years, followed by children aged 5 to 9 years.